Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. It's Monday morning, March 18th, and you're looking at the one-day chart of the S&P index. The S&P index the S&P had a great week last week, but I want to call your attention to the fact that uh, this is last Friday. This is Friday 15th. I want to call your attention to the fact that it's bumping its head. The index is bumping its head on a high that it established back in October. Here's October 16th, November 6th, and again on the end of November the 29th. And we're just about there. And you notice that what happened here on the 4th, March 4th, it bumped its head at that level, about 29.17 and a half, and then retraced all the way down to 27.28. And then last week, it had a really terrific week, starting with Monday. You see this long candle up Monday, and it ended the week on a high. So we're ending on a high. Notice the stochastic. I have the stochastic indicator here for you. When I trade with the stochastic and looking at the price action, that's about it. If you are if you're here and watching this video for the first time, my name is Marv Eisen, and my goal here is to show people a way to make extra income to supplement either their retirement income, or perhaps they lost their job, or they're not making as much as they'd like, or they have a temporary job or just a side gig that they depend on for their income. I went through this myself, and I've tried a number of things to try to bring in extra money, and I was not really successful at it. So I gravitated toward the Emini trading, electronic trading, and I did some homework, a lot of homework. I did a lot of practicing, and I think I've been relatively successful. The market just opened, and it's going to climb. I'm going to jump aboard right here quickly, because Monday morning is a period of great anxiety and uncertainty. And typically what happens on a Monday morning is that the market is exuberant in the morning. A lot of people, novices, have looked at the news over the weekend, which has been mostly positive. And early Monday morning is a good place, especially if the news is positive. Early Monday morning is a good time to not study too hard, not think too much about it, but jump in and see if we can pick up a couple of points. On the S&P E-mini, this is an S&P chart. This is paper trading, guys. I'm not going to be, I'm not pulling the wool over anyone's eyes here. I just want to show you a technique and do some examples of what you can do if you adopt this method of making some extra money. So Monday morning early, I came in with 4 contracts. It's up about 3 points. There isn't. I'm going to go to the 5-minute chart. See, this is where we are, and it's climbing. It's coming off a bit. Still looks like it wants to go up a bit. Not really sure. I don't like to gamble. I hate gambling. So I'm very cautious when I enter the market. I usually look and watch for confirmation, and I'd rather miss an opportunity than jump in and lose money. So right now I'm up 4.5 points, 5 points now. Still moving in a positive direction. I'd say the momentum, and if you take my course, you'll know that I'm a big believer in momentum trading. I'd say the momentum, at least this early in the day, it's only 3 minutes into the trading session, up almost 7 points. I'm up almost 7 points. Now on the S&P E-mini, it's $50 a point. Now 7.5. Look, it could back off. I'm not tooting my horn. but it looks like it has legs. Still, I'm going to get out. I'm going to get out. Why am I going to get out? Well, because let's see, I picked up 7.5 points. Get rid of this. I picked up 7.5 points, and I'm going to show you this. This is TradingView. These charts are TradingView charts, and history. This is today. I bought 4 at 28, 25.80. I sold 4 at 28, 27.43, and that brought in. Let me see. Current history. Up 6.5. Up 6.5 on that trade. 6.5 at $50 a point is $325 less commissions, which are pretty low in the E-mini markets. Commissions are about $1.50 per contract per side, plus a little bit of exchange fees. So it's not a heck of a lot of money. So I'd say over 300 points in 3 minutes of work. So that's what you can do in trading E-minis, and that's what I teach. I have a course that will teach you the strategies that I use and the things to watch out for. Trading is something that a lot of people try. I'm going to be very frank with you. A lot of people try and they fail at it because they don't take the time to study. They don't take the time to practice. It takes months of practice to get a feel for the market, and even then, I don't call myself a guru. I don't call myself a teacher with 25 years experience. I don't have 25 years experience. I do have considerable experience, but my skill is knowing when to not be in the market. A lot of trading schools teach you to trade. I teach you to not trade. I hate trading. I really hate trading. I do it to make money because I'm at my age. I've had jobs. I've applied for jobs where basically I've been told I was overqualified. And in looking for something to supplement my income, I gravitated to the S&P E-minis, and it's been pretty successful for me. So I'm trying to help other people do the same thing. Anyway, this is Marv Eisen, Timeless Dollar. It's Monday, March 18th. It's 9:36. I made a little more than $300 for the day. And I got out just about, you see where the market is? This is a 5-minute candle. See where the market is? I got out 28.27.5. And see now the index is down to 28.26.91. So I got out just about at the high of this candle, the first 5-minute candle. And now the market is retracing. Look, if you can do this, you'll be able to make money for life. You'll be able to take care of yourself forever. If you can't do it, you'll try it. If you lose a little money, you're not going to lose a lot, I promise you. But you'll know whether or not this is for you. Anyway, this is Marv Eisen, Timeless Dollar. Go to my site, timelessdollar.com, and sign up. I'm just about to release the course that I'm putting together, and I hope you take advantage of it. I'm pricing it low enough so that virtually anyone can learn this material. Thanks again, and I'll see you on the other side. Have a great day.